What is GMO? So, a living thing like plant, human being, or creature whose DNA is having been deeply altered by scientists is known as an organism that has been genetically or GMO. They do this in order to provide these beneficial traits such as increasing crop nutrients, pest resistance, or growth in harsh surroundings. Genetic modification enables these changes to occur more gradually and naturally. The primary objective is to produce food that is more sustainable, healthier, and more appropriate for our expanding population.
Now I will give you three examples of GMOs in the Philippines. First is BT corn, genetically modified to be resistant to the corn borer pest by incorporating a gene from the bacterium Bacillus thuringiensis or BT. This gene produces a protein that is toxic to the borer, providing season-long protection and reducing the need for chemical insecticides. The second one is golden rice, genetically engineered to produce beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A. The modification involves inserting genes that allow the rice grains to produce this nutrient, which is intended to combat with vitamin A deficiency, a major public health issue in the Philippines. And lastly, the BT eggplant. Similar to BT corn, this eggplant variety has been modified with a gene from bacterium Bacillus thuringiensis. This gene enables the plant to produce protein that is toxic to the fruit and shoot borer, a common pest that damages the eggplants.
What are the benefits of GMOs? Discuss the advantage or positive effects. The benefits in farming is higher crop yields are often engineered to grow faster and produce more food per plant. Next is pests and disease are designed to resist pests and insects, reducing the need of chemical pesticides. Next is the benefits of health. Improved nutrition. Scientists can enhance the nutritional content of food, for example, golden rice, and reduce use of harmful chemicals. Since GMO crops need fewer pesticides, there is less chemical residue on food. And next is longer shelf life. Some GMOs are designed to stay fresh longer, reducing food waste and improving food availability. So, ang summary is, benefits niya sa farming is higher yields, pest resistance, and drought tolerance, lower cost. And health sa health naman is better nutrition, safer food, longer shelf life. And sa environment is less pollution and conserve resource, reduce emission. Yun lang.
I'll be talking about the impacts of GMO in Philippine society. For farmers, GMO have offered positive benefits such as higher crop yields, resistance to pests, and reduced need for chemical pesticides, helping lower production costs. However, negative effects include farmers' dependence on expensive patented seeds and possible loss of traditional farming practices. For consumers, GMOs can provide more affordable and nutritious food due to increased production. On the other hand, there are still concerns about health risks and lack of labeling transparency. For the environment, GMOs may reduce pesticide use and protect biodiversity in the short term, but they can also threaten native species and cause cross-pollination that may harm ecological balance. Lastly, for the economy, GMO crops like BT corn have boosted agricultural export and income. Yet, critics say profit often favor large corporations rather than small local farmers. In summary, GMOs bring both opportunities and challenges, improving food security and productivity, but also raising ethical, environmental, and economic issues that the Philippines must carefully manage.
To sum it up, GMOs or genetically modified organisms are products of science meant to solve real problems in farming, nutrition, and the environment. In the Philippines, crops like BT corn, golden rice, and BT eggplant show how biotechnology can improve yields, reduce pests, and fight vitamin A deficiency. However, GMOs are not perfect. They bring issues like seed cost, debt risk for small farmers, and environmental concerns that must be managed carefully. The real challenge is balance, using science to feed our people and protect our land at the same time. If applied responsibly and fairly, GMOs can help build a more secure and sustainable future for Filipino farmers and consumers alike.